How to change payment account on Google Play. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. In this video I will guide you on how you can change a payment account on Google Play, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Well, in order to actually change a payment account on Google Play, we're not learning to change our payment method, because if we want to change our payment method, we have to tap on the profile icon, go to payment and subscription, go to payment method, and then add a new payment method respectively. But we want to change the account itself, so what we will do is we'll just come back, tap on the profile icon. To change our payment account, we simply need to switch our Google account. So just tap on the drop down menu, and then you can see I have other Google account I added. If you've not added another Google account, you can tap on add another account and then simply switch to that specific account. Now whenever I want to purchase apps, I can simply use this account in order to change my payment account. If I want, I can just get that back by tapping the profile icon from the top right again and then going to manage apps and devices, or I can just tap on it and then go to the option called drop down menu and then choose my previous account and then make payments in that respectively. This is how you can change a payment account on Google Play. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.